Hi sweeties, today we are going to make these three different drinks out of marshmallow. Marshmallow, simple marshmallow milkshake, toasted marshmallow milkshake, and s'more milkshake. These are delicious and yum and are for the marshmallow lovers. So let's get started. In a grinder, I am going to add all of the things I need. I'm going to add some marshmallows, some vanilla ice cream, some sugar. Sugar, you can skip sugar, you can use condensed milk. Adding 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of milk, and a lot of marshmallows. You can change the quantity and blend this is the marshmallow shake, simple. Now the other marshmallow shake, I have added 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Into this I will add some toasted marshmallows and some sugar and some water. You can see these marshmallows are looking delicious. Yes, they are heavenly. You can use the quantity can be varied. Now grind this and then this will be done. So for the next quality, I am adding some toasted marshmallows, some cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. You can use 7 to 8 marshmallows toasted, and adding 1 cup of milk, and also adding some graham crackers. I have recipe of graham crackers, so you can check that. Grinding this will become more milkshake. Now for the decoration, I have used a glass. Into this I have decorated decorated this by some chocolate syrup. You can make whatever you want, adding some crackers down and then adding the milkshake. On the top I will add some crackers, and after this I will add some vanilla ice cream, scoop of vanilla ice cream. My vanilla ice cream melted because there is too hot here, so that's why I've added this, and this is melted. So don't worry if your area is cold, so this will not be melted. So and also I will also add some toasted marshmallows and some full pieces of graham crackers to this, and also add 1 bar of chocolate. So you can see these three drinks are done: marshmallow drink, toasted marshmallow drink, and s'more drink. I hope you like the recipe and you will be making this for summer and enjoying this. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.